was printed out. Yeah. So I just take this density toner and spray it in order to make more darker. Close that machine. So a little bit let it dry up. So that is become more darker even than original print. So, and what I do, I just have piece of copy paper and I put it on it. By the way, that trick you can't find anywhere because I deeply thought how I can make darker my stencil. So that is how it is. So this one, and I cover up again with trace paper in order to sandwich, and from both sides I protect it. So I just put design on the back, so it should flash through design, melt a little bit copy paper, and that is stick on our design. So in that case I just put something in order to press it down. So I put this on circle in order to just make tension, just press it down. So I just close it, and I just adjust lowest power 1. Yeah. So and I just push it, I just flash it. Yeah, it's done. Open it, just take it out. Just take my sandwich. So now you can see that the structure is already stick on our design, that copy paper, and I just remove it. Yeah, you see, it was sticked on design. So that's the way how I make the stencil even darker. So I just put spray it again. Let us add to density. So now you can see the stencil is dark. It's dark enough for flashing it. Which was more darkened. Put protective foil. Just my part should to be in the circle. Do not go out from circle in order to place it properly. So now I do it. Now I'm ready. So I'm ready. I just close the machine. And I just add power to 5. Yeah, now it's done. And just push button to flash it. It's done. Open up it. Remove the sandwich. And voila. We have design done. Rubber for stamp is ready for flash stamp. And I'm gonna to adjust to this one stamp printer. So I can refill this part. So now we just push it in, this in part, and we just start to fill it up. So this one is put aside in order to suck it in. Now I fill out this one part with our design. So the second is now it's done. So what I do, I just adjust this top, put it here, bottom is there. So our face is here. So this face like that. Yeah. So there. Bottom is straight. And with the something I just push it. So that is done. A little bit I push over here. Make it slightly. So I just let it out. So this one is ready. So we put this. Again, this leg lock and protect the cover. So that's our rubber stamp. That's flashing system. So if we need to refill, we just put this one on lock and take it out. And here's refilling. For refilling space, you just refill the ink on out, you can refill it and just put it there. So our and you pay a little bit with this sacrificing. So I have to make rubber. That is rubber company. So this one will be face. So I need to prepare it to stick it. Already sticked. You can see here. And one more stickers. Which I put in the front. So that will be front of our stone. So here's the wheel, you just make pressure, just a little bit when you turn, the pressure is different. So when you screw the screen and push it, this one part, I mean more out or stay more in. So that is how just pressure. This will help you adjust proper pressure. By the way, you need to think yourself how to stamp what the pressure you need to put in order to get a stamp. Good stamp. You see? On one side more pressure, other one less pressure is different stamps. So that is how it works. So I make a label here.